Hi, and welcome back to Sulendo. In today's video, I'm going to guide you and help you understand how you can browse and search for content. So first, I'll talk about different content categories and different content collections. And second, I'm going to help you understand how you can use these features or content categories. So let's get started. When you log in or when you access Sulendo, you should be able to land on this homepage. Now, when you're here, the content collection or the content category section starts from search for Sulendo content. So this is where you're going to access, or this is the tool or the place section where you're going to have all the relevant material that you're looking for. So the first thing you can have rather this content collection according to, or content category according to forms. So the content is categorized according to forms and according to subjects and also according to collections. So these two, the first two, the form and the subjects, are straightforward. Now I'll move forward. What is a collection? So content collection is a mixture of different materials. For example, you can choose to come up with a collection of videos, audio files, and other documents. So you put them together to make a collection, and then you can pin them here. So let's take, you would like your students to come and view or review some exercise that contains all those materials. Then you can create a collection and approach your Sulendo expert at your school to help you upload the collection on Sulendo. And what is another collection or content category? So you have the view all content. So this is where if you're not sure which form to view, let's take you're a teacher and then you teach a lot of subjects or a lot of classes. Now you'd like to view a diverse of subjects and content, so you can utilize this feature. You go to view all content. When you're here, this page will contain different materials from different subjects and forms. So now you can be more specific and think of utilizing the filters for you to narrow or broaden your search. So you might want to choose a subject. Let's take agriculture, and then you have the content from agriculture. You might want to be more specific with the form and say, I want form 3. So if you say you want form 3, then you have the content from form 3, and you can also specify what content type you're looking for, or what core element you're looking for, or what topic. Let's take you want something related to nutrient cycles or organisms, and then you can click there. Unfortunately, we do not have that material. So if you can see that now, that means Sulendo still needs more education materials. So it's our plea that if you have relevant materials that can help other schools out there, please reach out to us or to any Sulendo expert so that we can review your material and upload it to Sulendo. Thank you for watching. I wanted to share with you these tips on how you can browse and search for content here on Sulendo. I hope you find this video helpful. Otherwise, see you in the next video.